the car leaving the hospital, and there's someone in the back waving. We'll go through town and I'll show you a little bit of a town, Dublin city, from the south side of it. Loads of big houses, very posh. Now the radio station, which is the national radio station, is right here on my right hand side, so I shall try capture that. It's quite difficult when you're driving. Hold on, there's the tower, look! There is the tower! It says RTE Radio on. I hope you liked that little detour through the south side of the Dublin, and we've decided to come through town because the motorway can get a bit boring at times. Jack was off from school because somebody in his class was as a confirmed COVID case, so we had a kind of bit of a scary time.
I'm COVID free, don't worry.
Yeah, you are COVID free. Thankfully the result came back because all of the class has to be tested, including the teacher, and thank God it was negative for Jack. And as a result, the whole class had to stay home for 14 days as a precaution. But anyway, so he's still home. All right, Bina?
Yeah.
I don't think they have ever been across the water in America. I don't. We're in the field again. Okay, we got this drum from China, Matavish tree. There it is. It opens up like Mavic. It's quite small. If you look at it, my hand, quite small. Okay, what I don't really like is the way they have put in the SD card.
I am here.
Jack is there with Herman. We have a tortoise, a red-foot tortoise that comes from South America. Jack decided to bring him for a walk. So there he is.
Yep.
Tortoise and Jack. Jack and tortoise.
I'm rubbing this to get him raw.
To his bone. Is he loving it?
He is.
Yeah. Oh, he's tiny.
He's quite tiny.
Yeah. He's quite relaxed. Well, you take care of him and I'll fly, okay?
Okay.
No, I think I'll have to buy a new camera at some stage because this one is starting to fall apart.
Sorry.
You switch on one short and one long, yeah? Just like Mavic.
Okay, Herman. That's smooth beside
It's on.
my map.
No, not right beside me, Jack, because if I fly, you might get a fright. So you just kind of move over there, that's fine. Remote control. Suppose just switch it on.
Everything okay here?
Everything's fine. Oh, I need my phone. I forgot. So as always, where are we? Open here. Put the phone in. Just mind Herman, yeah?
Yep.
Mind the tortoise. Oh, I have to connect the Wi-Fi first, okay? Let me see. So, let me just record the screen so I can share with you and see what you're doing. What's he doing there? Just make sure no dogs come along and lick him. Okay, I think you have to do this first and select settings first, Wi-Fi. See if he picks up the Wi-Fi. Come on.
Guys,
I
somebody
suppose
broke
that's
it.
it. Yeah. XYS 5G. Okay, let's go into the RC. I think I have to turn my phone because my phone is upside down. It's a pity that he doesn't turn around.
Herman? Okay.
Oh. Okay, so this way. See if it talks to us.
That's cool.
No.
Now look,
Huh?
my mission is passed and I got everything that I need.
Right, make sure Herman, yeah, watch your Herman. Oh, it keeps turning down my volume. Okay. Well, okay, no, well, sure, anyway, look. You see, it only stays one way, I can't turn any other way. Oh, maybe I can. Back to this. No. It does not, no.
I got everything in my bag. I say it's hard to see, but I do have some stuff in my bag.
Gyro calibrate first. So press left and right. So the lights flashed and now it's still. Right. So then what we have to do is click the... I had to write it down because I couldn't remember really. There's my little notes. So left button bleep and roll clockwise. I wish they wouldn't create all these. Okay, left button beep. So rotate clockwise until it beeps. There we go. Then the left button and face down. The lights are still flashing. The red light. Okay, here we go. I think we're ready to go. Okay, let's try auto takeoff. No, I'll do manual first. So, sorry, manual first, okay? Okay, here we go. Oh, Jack. Don't know what happened there. A little hit the Herman.
Actually, should pick up Herman this time.
Yeah. Pick him up until
Don't let the drone do that.
I'm not too sure what happened there. I think I'll do is I'll switch it off and switch it back on again.
Guys, Herman was nearly killed. But the good thing, he's okay.
Okay, let's just
He's not
restart.
injured or anything.
Restart. Short and long. Okay. So, remote.
The rocks, throw them in there.
Beep beep.
The biggest rock that I got so far is this one. See, Mom? See this one here? I mean, still there.
Oh yeah.
Quite big.
Why can I not join the network? I want to join the network. This is a bit frustrating. See, if that was a DJI, you've been up flying and flight done almost. But I suppose if you want something kind of cheaper and have a bit of fun, you have to have lots of patience. I'd like to say thank you for best wishes to Dave. He is hopefully on the mend very soon. Just with COVID, we're not allowed to go in and see him. So, but we're able to drop things off at the reception and then they bring it up to the ward. Switch this on. That's it. So, okay, thanks for confirmation. So we pick 109 GPS controls. So, does it connect me? Yes, it does. I wonder, does it talk to you? But of course I can't hear because my ring goes down. Okay. Come back. So how do I record? Oh, look at this. Take pictures. Well, there is a massive drift, so it flies on its own literally. I have to look at it and see why is it kind of flying on its own, but it should stay still in hovering position. It does not want to stay in hovering position. So far I don't like that. As I said, I'll always be honest with you. Maybe it's what do I need to do here? So the battery is not that long as it says on the box. I'm down to 2 bars. Okay.
Can you give me a hand to look for him?
I think we've lost the tortoise, so we have to find him. He's somewhere in here. Where is he? Did you cover him with grass or something?
Yeah, he's covered with grass. He covered his...
Where were you playing last?
Pardon?
Tell me, where were you last, roughly?
Oh, God. You know what
Hey, hear me. He is so...
But you have to walk very carefully because you might step in him.
I know. Oh, there he is. Look, I found him. There he is.
Oh my goodness. That hit him.
See? Hold on, don't move him, don't move him. This is where you left him. See?
No, he digged himself up there.
Did he dig himself in there?
Yes. It wasn't me. Somehow glass fell on him. Just as the rest was already broken. Found him.
There he is. Hey, mister.
Right, you're on the news, Harmon. How was your day?
Found.
I got my life. I thought I was lost. I thought I was lost. I thought I was lost. Bye bye.
What would you do if you never found him?
I would scream to my dad.
You'd be crying.
Yeah, because I wouldn't like Dad to kill me.
Because his dad's tortoise.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can't adjust any settings on my camera anymore. That's just how bad it's gone. Okay, so I have decided to come again and just try this one. I like the little bags that they come in. Like little 2 bags. Kind of soft and velvety. I've placed the SD card right there. See what happens. Oh, there's the crow right above me. He's not happy. Bit of a win today, as always. I think I was doing something wrong the first time, so I'm gonna try rectify that. Okay, everything is soaking wet because we had a lot of rain. Okay, so what I'll try is, and I actually brought the book with me to make sure I'm doing it right. Okay, so I think what I did wrong was I didn't calibrate, or something did wrong. Okay, aircraft, yes. Where's the power again? Click and hold. There we go. Right. There we go. It's flashing now rapidly. And then this one on. Okay, so now we have to do the gyro. So to press, it tells you to press the button here on the right. So now it's flashing. Geomagnetic correction. So I have to press this button here. There we go. Ooh, it's flashing again. So now I have to do this, right? Okay. And then what is it? Nose down? Nose down. Which way it goes again? This way. Come on. There we go. So now we're connected. Okay. So this is 109 GPS, because it's a GPS lock. Okay, so click the controls. So it should be connected now. Here we go. I can see the lovely straw from the field. Okay, let's just see how we will operate this. I do not wish to fly upside down, but I have to put it in here. Right. Record button is here. So it's recording now. Let's take off. So now just take off. So it is GPS locked, so it works perfect. I'm quite happy with it. Obviously the picture quality is not good, but oh, sorry, the wind is blowing me over, but it's good. And it's a bit of a wind as well today, so what am I just gonna go a bit forward and have a bit of fun. want to try follow me. Okay, got my warning signal that the battery's low, so I think it best as I landed. Okay, I've been flying 7 minutes. So, no, not there. Yeah, that was a bad landing in there somewhere. Anyways, look, I'll go on my knees. To summarise it, it works great. Let me show you the camera. There is now a camera where you can adjust up and down. Now watch this. I'll press it on my screen. Down. See? So you can literally get a time lapse maybe. It'll be a shaky time lapse. And then get it down. It's a good durable practice drone for all those who are just beginning and want to have a fun. And there's a wasp flying around me. Whoa, get away. Oh, sorry. Ah. Anyways, it's a good starter drone, but really it's just for practice, not for anything scenic to take photographs or anything like that. But plus, because it's tiny, it's easy to sort of transport and whatnot. And where's the SD card? SD card. Oh, I've lost my SD card. Oh no! I have to go and search. Where did I land? I knew that would happen. Maybe it's stuck inside. That was a good one, and there was stuff on it as well. Oh dear. Okay, I have to go and search. Okay. Unfortunately, I lost my SD card. Ah! There it is, I found my card. Well, thankfully it fell out and it was in the bag. I'm happy with that, I'm delighted with that. Yes! So you actually don't need a card to record, because I know it was recording. So obviously it records straight into your thingy bobs, into your app. I'm delighted I got my SD card. Thank you Banggood, and thank you for watching. Thanks a million, God bless. Sloan. See you next time, and make sure you do what the manual says. Calibrate it and it'll be all perfect. Cheers. Goodbye.